and I'm so happy to have you here. So this is Tata's ball and he's supposed to play like all day long. Come in, come in, come in, come in. So this is our living space. This is where we eat, and the flowers, my best friend Shantani, she gave it to me. And this is the kitchen, and I don't know what this thing is doing here, but yeah. Alright, so these are the fruits. This don't stay here. I just put it like this because I thought it's gonna look lovely, but now it's looking kind of weird. So shiny trays my father got. He likes shiny things. Yeah, sometimes I do too, and that was so sweet of him to bring me this. And the flowers, more flowers here. I like plants, so yeah. And dua sama, and tea that gone cold. I don't know why. Tada! Yeah, there he comes. And you see this entire thing, Tata's toy, tweeting, still surviving, but the octopus is almost gone, see. And this is our bedroom. So this is where we sleep. This is getting very weird house tour, I know, but I am awkward. Yeah. And this is the mirror, just for fancy decorative purpose. And I love this thing. This is the mirror again. Lots of mirror because I thought the room is a bit small. I think the mirror, it gives this illusion of like bigger space. So yeah, we're gonna see a lot of mirrors over here. More plants. The space is a bit dirty because I have been lazy. I didn't clean, but will do. This is my desk. I work here, and my diary for this year, and sunflowers. I love sunflowers. Sofa. We chill here, but Tata chills here the most. Come here. So yeah, you see me with this all day because he sleeps, he gets up, he eats, then he plays, then he sleeps again. This is his routine and I envy him. So okay, now moving on to what? We have two closets, this and that. This is our small balcony over here. Very small balcony, but full of plants. Come here, show them this one. This is very pretty. This butterfly shaped plant, but this has become dirty, the shelf. That is okay. I think it's giving some character, you know. And I like these flowers, bougainvillea, roses, and yeah. Tada! See, all the time, all the time. Pant is sliding down. Alright, what else? Oh, I love this decoration over there. I did it, and yeah, I think it looks pretty. I love this room the most because it feels really cozy, and I just like it. I love to sleep, maybe that's why. Bedroom is my favorite room. Now, painting is there, but if you see, the frame is broken. In transfer, it got broken, but we couldn't fix it yet. We will someday. Very soon, someday. Here is only one studio. He won't let us see the studio, so we're gonna respect his privacy. There is this very weird, small, open room. When I found this flat, I didn't know what to do, but I chose to make this as a library. And also I decorated it with these pieces. This is my studio. I work here. This is a bit messy. Sit here and shoot my YouTube videos most of the days. Sometimes I use the bedroom as well. And yeah, it feels good. The desk has weird history. So we made this with wood, but the person who made this used very bad wood. So now after we painted it, it's getting yellow and yellow. My dresser and few stuff I have here, and lot of stuff there. Lot of clutter. My skincare, makeup, hair care, suitcase. Another decoration. It looks cool. This is the books I bought from Darjeeling, but still I couldn't read it. I read it this year. So coming here, oh, there we have this very tiny washroom that I want to show you. And what else? See this thing like this. You're gonna see these lanterns everywhere in this house because I love them. I love flowers, plants. Oh, I love this one, this monstera. I think this is very pretty and elegant. This is the basin setup. Also, I added little flowers recently. I think this look very nice. Also, see, I bought this mirror from Amazon. Then I added these flowers. Oh, one cool thing I want to show you.
Have you shown them the mask?
Mask? Oh yeah,
the scary mask.
Yeah. Not scary. This is good. This is from Darjeeling.
This is Garura.
Hanji. It's gonna protect us from bad eyes. Supposed to. So this is the tuna leaf I got from Kashmir. Calendar. And I don't know, I had this pimple patch. I used this as sticker here. Weird. Sherlock's medicine list. Oh, the fridge is a kiosk. Oh, this is a painting. Only one painted. And our wedding photo. This is me. And this looks cool, no? This ladder thing.
Yeah, it does.
I wanted to light this up, but couldn't because battery is not there.
Oh, battery is not there.
No.
Okay.
So there we have another bathroom here, and I'm not gonna show you because I don't know. I feel weird showing bathroom. That's it. All right. So what else I wanna show you? And yeah, the best part, my husband and Tata. And thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna see you very soon then. I hope you like this house tour, though it was not perfect. And I fumbled, but yeah, I'm gonna get better. If I get out of the space, I'm gonna do a better house tour. Again, I'm going back to my bedroom because I told you this is my favorite room because I get to sleep here. Like my friend Shantani, she gave me this, and I think this is so good. Did I show you the sunflowers?
Yep.
Yeah, I did. Sunflowers and more sunflowers. Love. Tata Baba! Wait. It's doing something. Oh yeah, come here.
Tucked in.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna show you something. So see this wall? There are so many cracks already, and this building is not even 2-year old. And I'm kind of worried. I don't want anything bad to happen, but yeah, I'm worried. It's like
You're actually looking really pretty in this backdrop.
And yeah, I'm happy here. I'm really happy because this is our first home that we bought, and I just love being here. I'm kind of homebody. I can travel, but the best I feel is at my home with my family. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you liked my little space. See, I told you the sofa. Only Sherlock, Tata. He has 2 names, Sherlock and Tata, and he has other names too. He has many names, and he loves it. So yeah, I'm not gonna babble anymore. So thank you so much for being there. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. It feels so good to have you home. Bye. Bye. Bye.